Good morning, and I hope you're keeping well with this virus out here, washing your hands, and doing everything that the government wants you to do. Welcome to today's video, and today we're going to learn about the titles of people and politeness. So in Luo, there are two words that are very good to use everywhere you go. The first one is Erokamano, and Erokamano means thank you. If someone gives you something, maybe a drink or food, the correct thing to say is Erokamano. If you want to ask for something, you would say kiye, kiye, kiye. So kiye means if you. The word kiye means if you please. Erokamano and kiye. Erokamano and kiye. Now, let's talk about titles of people. And I will give you the title and explain who it is. First, we say, in the Luo community, there was a person who was the head of the village. He was called a chief. And the chief in Luo is called Ruoth. Now, chief is Ruoth, but also Ruoth can be used for Jesus. Ruoth Yesu. So Ruoth Yesu means Jesus Christ. And an elder, the village elder, an elder or a person who is elderly is called Jaduong. 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 First wife is Mikayi. Mikayi. Mikayi is the first wife. Second wife is called Nyar Chira. Nyar Chira. Nyar Chira. Miss is called Nyadendi. Nyadendi. That's Miss. Mister is Migosi. Migosi. Migosi Otieno, that is Mr. Otieno. President is Ker. 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 A child is called Rawera. Rawera. Rawera is a child, and it's either a child who is a girl or a boy. It doesn't matter the sex, you just say Rawerani. Rawerani. Jatelo means leader. Jatelo. Jatelo. The last one of the day is Omera. Omera is usually used to address a close relative, a close friend, or a cousin. Omera emanates from Nyamera, and Nyamera means my sibling. So Omera is used to address somebody who is closer to you. But again, it can be used for threatening people. You can say, Omera, abiro padi, I will slap you. Omera, abiro padi. That now changes the meaning. It might not be your sister, but you can be, hey, I will slap you. Or, Omera, tang tielo. Hey, be careful of that wheel. It might have a problem in the future, you know. Or you can greet somebody, hey, Ber Omera. That means, hey, hello stranger, Ber Omera. Okay. And that's it for today. I hope you're staying well. Please remember to wash your hands, stay indoors. Let us deal with this virus one day at a time. Stay positive, and I hope God will bless us through it. Alrighty.